Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another March Spoiler beauty box unboxing and it is Asos, and I've had a sneak peek and I honestly think it's the best one ever. So if you're new to Asos beauty boxes, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you just want to head straight into me unboxing this box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Asos have been doing these beauty boxes for a good couple of years, and I've been receiving them pretty much from the start. Up until a couple of months ago, I was purchasing them myself, but I am now on Asos's Face and Body PR list, so they kindly send me their boxes for free a little bit earlier, so then I'm able to show you and to tell you all about it to see if it's a box for you or not. Mainly because these boxes sell out super fast, and they could be within hours, and I got a feeling this one's going to be the same as well. The cost of the box is £12, and I'm assuming this one is £12. They have given me a little note inside the box, but it doesn't mention the price in there. Usually all the boxes are £12 unless they've brought out like a collaboration box where the prices can go up to about £18, but there's a mixture of brands in here, so I'm guessing it's £12. Asos ship internationally, but I do know a lot of people that have had issues trying to get this box when it's released in their countries, but I have been in contact with Asos and they've said that their boxes are being sold internationally, but then sometimes if the boxes sell out really quick, then by the time it's released on different websites, then it might already be sold out, unfortunately. But if you're watching this part and you are a regular to purchasing the Asos beauty box and you live outside the UK, please comment down your experiences so that we can all learn from it. The box usually goes on sale around the 1st of every month. Sometimes it can be a couple of days into the month. There's no particular time and there's no particular date. So because this is such a sought after box, myself and loads of other people, possibly thousands, who knows, constantly on the website refreshing. To get the box up on the website, you just type in beauty box and then it'll come up. Even though I get them as PR now, I do sometimes get the odd one or two for giveaways and to give as gifts to my friends or family. So I am on the website every 20 minutes, every half an hour. It sort of dwindles a bit as I get into the month. So as soon as I find out, either from myself or by some of you lovely lot that message me as soon as you see it, then I will post up everywhere. I'll post up on my community tab on Facebook. I'll post it up on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, and also my Twitter as well, which I don't really use, but if you're on Twitter, you're welcome to follow me. And I am so excited with my Instagram account. I am currently around 250 followers away from having 10,000 subscribers, which is crazy. But once I reach 10,000 subscribers, I can add a swipe up, so I can direct you straight to any of the websites, any of the offers, boxes, etc. So yeah, if you're not already following me on Instagram, hop on over, it would be much appreciated. But yeah, I think that's it as far as information goes. If you're interested in seeing what previous Asos beauty boxes have been like, then again, you'll find photos on my Instagram page, but also I've got a huge back playlist of videos. 4 years worth, maybe 3.5 years worth. I'm not sure if I said at the start, I'm talking too much now because I am quite excited to show you what's inside, but it's not a subscription. It's just like purchasing a pair of shoes. When it's released, if you want it, it shows you exactly what's inside the box. If you want it, you buy it. If not, then you don't. I pay, is it £9.95 a year, and that entitles me to have free next day delivery. I love Asos. I'm constantly purchasing off Asos. I buy jewellery, clothing, beauty, everything, so I take out that, so it saves me paying postage, but postage would be about £3 otherwise. So for this box, for instance, you'll be paying around £15. But yeah, all details and everything related to this box. It hasn't gone live yet, but as soon as it does, I'll pop it down in my description, as well as I've got lots of links and discount codes and everything down in my description. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So inside the box, we get a little card and it details everything about the product, so I'll refer to that in a little while. Then I got a little card here and it just says, "Hi Claire, we hope you love our latest Asos box, launching 1st of March for just £12. Oh, there you go. For some reason I didn't see the £12 before. Yeah, £12, 1st of March. But then saying that, with the last note that they gave me in February's box, they also said releasing on the 1st of February. All my social media sites were going crazy. People saying, well, where is it? Where is it? People like 9:30 at night, you know, like, why, where is it? Why hasn't it been released? I don't think it was released until about the 3rd of February. It should say here launching from the 1st of March. So yeah, but keep checking from the 1st. And it says it has everything you need for a simple skincare routine that will put a spring in your step with love, Asos. And look. Oh, give you a sneak peek. I love Elemis. I love Elemis. Starting with the Elemis product, and this is a Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, and there's 150 mils here. I've tried a few products from the Pro Collagen range, but I haven't tried this before. I've tried the balm, but not this one. Energizing Marine Cleanser. I bet this is so nice and refreshing. It says here, a luxurious gel cleanser helps energize the skin for optimum performance. Charged with hydrating Padina pavonica minerals and an anti-aging trio of acids to leave skin feeling invigorated and looking beautifully revived. The deep cleansing action helps reduce surface oils and impurities, balances the skin for a youthful glow. Oh, I know it's a cleanser, but I just want to see what it's like. Is it green or blue? Yeah. Can you see? Oh, it smells so nice. I'm so excited about this. I can't believe they've got like a full-size Elemis product. It forms from a gel into a cream to clean your face. So that's the first product in the box. Going in order, we've got an exfoliator, and this is by Alpha H. This is a micro super scrub for face and body with bamboo extracts, and there's 30 mils here. I'm only putting little bits. Yeah, it's a nice one. Not too harsh. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells of mint. It smells of mint. That is lovely. What does it say here? A granulated glycolic exfoliant with bamboo stem extract, which effectively clears the skin of debris and smooths out lines and wrinkles to reveal a new freshness in your complexion. Use soft circular movements, massage over the face and neck and or your body. For a deeper exfoliation, leave on the skin for 1 minute prior to removing with a warm damp cloth. Follow with your preferred Alpha H moisturizer. So you've got an exfoliator. Next we've got a serum by OK, and this is a hydrating serum mist. Moisturizes and sets makeup. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3, and we've got 60 mils here. I absolutely adore mists. I've got a huge collection of them. I've never had this before. I've had a few products from OK, but this is an actual mist. Look how pretty the packaging is. If you're not familiar with this brand, it's a Korean skincare brand. They do lots of really cool face masks. Right, let me read it first before. Does it smell? I don't know. It says, apply the OK Choc Choc Hydrating Serum Mist. Keep you glowing as the season changes. It's got hyaluronic acid, glycerin and loads more. Okay, let's try it. Oh! It's one of those really like full-on sprays. Yeah, not one for putting on your face when you've got a load of makeup on, but really nice and refreshing, especially if you keep it in like a fridge or something. I think that would be quite nice. Yeah, I'll leave that for when I'm not wearing makeup. Next, we've got a moisturizer by Sunday Riley, and this is Ice. Something new. I've never tried this one before. We've got 8 grams here, and yeah, I'll read to you a little bit more about it. It's a Ceramide moisturizing cream. Look, it's a little teeny tiny one, but a nice sort of travel size. See there. Let's try a little bit. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels really, really nice. I do like Sunday Riley. Pricey brand, but they do really gorgeous products. Oh, the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream helps protect the skin barrier while keeping it hydrated. So you've got a moisturizer. And lastly, and one of the most important products in a skincare regime, some SPF. And this is by Quarterly. And this is Factor 50, which is brilliant. Really, really good. This is an anti-wrinkle face sun care, anti-aging protection and hydration. And we got 25 mils there. Again, it's a new product for me. I haven't tried this before. Anything with SPF 50, I'm all for it. So it looks like there. What can I tell you about it? This light non-sticky cream is enriched with soothing organic grape water and gives maximum UVA, UVB protection for a radiant and lasting tan. A delicate sunny fragrance envelopes the skin. I'm not going to open this one and try it. I'm going to save it for when we're out of lockdown. Hopefully by the summer, and then I can use it then. It's just saying exactly what I just read off the back here. So that is the last item in the box. So I'll just gather them all up. The cost of the box is £12, and we've got 5 items, as we always do. I am super, super chuffed. I honestly think this is one of the best boxes I've received. It's got amazing brands and products I've never tried before. And that is saying a lot coming from a beauty box addict. We've got a full-size Elemis cleanser. We've got an OK Hydrating Serum Mist. We've got a Sunday Riley Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. We've got an Alpha H Exfoliator. And we've got a Quarterly SPF as well. I am chuffed. I am super, super chuffed. Yeah, definitely a box that I predict is going to sell out really quickly. But besides what I think, I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this box? Are you going to try and get it? Or are you thinking, what on earth are you on about, Claire? It's not a very good box this month. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, especially if you are a regular to purchasing the Asos box and you live outside of the UK. I'd love to hear your experiences of getting this box, especially since after Christmas, where there seems to have been a few problems, so that we can raise awareness and any tips, etc. in the comments. That would be brilliant. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.